Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable volume on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on TradingView website and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have products, community, markets, news, brokers and more. If you go right here to the left, to the right, you're going to find the watch list. And right here, you're going to find some markets like Apple, Tesla, and Netflix, and so on. And if you want to search markets, you can come to the search bar. And then from here, you can search for any market that you want. You can also filter only stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. For example, I'm going to click on Apple. So just go right here to see the chart. And then it will direct you to this page, which is Apple's page. From here, you can see the price in all of the countries. And from here, you can see on super charts. As you can see, guys, from here, you can see the overview, timeline, news, ideas, financials, technicals, and forecasts. So from here, if you see Apple Charts, you can get widgets. You can see by area or by candles. You can take a snapshot, and lastly, from here, you can launch the full chart view. So for example, I'm gonna click on see the full chart view. And as you can see, guys, now the page is loading, and this is the full chart view. Basically, guys, it's pretty easy to enable volume. Just go right here to the top left corner. As you can see, guys, there is volume right here. Hover your mouse over it and then go to this eye. From here, you can either hide it or unhide it. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.